Good morning, my name is Matt. Is your management ready for the future? Do you want to get ahead of the competition? Do you want to know what you need to do to build a strategy that will get you into the metaverse? Our business is to help companies like yours build a strategy to enter the metaverse. We'll help you identify areas where your company can increase its competitive advantage and help you create a strategy that will allow your company to take full advantage of these opportunities. We are here to help you find solutions that are cost-effective today, while allowing you to enter the metaverse.
Good morning, my name is Anna. Our team of experts will work with you in a workshop to identify your goals for entering the metaverse and develop a strategy to help you achieve them. We'll analyze your current practices, show you the latest trends in technology, and advise you on how best to leverage them for maximum impact.
We know it won't be easy for everyone. That's why we're here to help you find solutions that are cost-effective today, while allowing you to enter metaverse. If any of these parts sound interesting, or if you have any questions about our services or experience, don't hesitate to contact us. Visit our website mimo.ooo or contact us by email info@mimo.ooo. Thank you very much for your attention and best regards.